Do you have a blank Power BI file with no data and want to get your CSV data loaded in? Well, today we're going to be showing you how to do just that. Welcome back to our series on Power BI Basics, where we're releasing a video a day to show you how to use Power BI, starting from the very beginner stages and moving through the entire program, all the way to how to publish your first report. Today we're going to be talking about how to load Power BI CSV data or CSV data into Power BI Desktop. So on my desktop right now, I have a folder of CSVs and that I want to load into a Power BI Desktop file. First, I'm going to open up Power BI Desktop. Once Power BI Desktop is loaded, I'm going to click Blank Report. Now that I'm in a blank report, I'm going to click Get Data, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click Text and CSV. In this case, my data is on my desktop, so I'm going to go into my folder and I'm going to load my sales data. When it loads, it's going to pop up an option that's either going to give me it's going to pop up an option box. It's either going to give me the option to load the data or to transform the data. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click Transform Data, which is going to bring me into Power Query. This will give me an option to rename the query as well as perform transformations on the data. Since this is a fact table, I want to preface this query with an F for fact. This will help keep my data model organized. Next, I'm going to want to import the rest of my CSVs. I can do this by either clicking this New Source dropdown and then clicking CSV, or Text and CSV again, which should pop open a box asking us to load a secondary CSV. In this case, since I've already loaded sales data, I'm going to load salesperson data, and then give me the ability to load it. I can also go through and I can just check to make sure this is loading correctly, which it is. And then since this is dimension data, I'm going to rename this query by double clicking it and then putting D underscore. Alright, now that I have all of my CSVs loaded, I'm going to click Close and Apply. What this is now going to do is this is now going to import all of my CSV data. This has been another video in our series on Power BI Basics. If you want to follow along and continue learning more and more advanced features of the tool, please subscribe. We're releasing a tutorial every single day that, if you follow along in progressive order, will teach you how to use the program.